Baby, I meet say me maybe a latter party na me call to be 6 years. But I had here before me nya hands and me call to. Baby, I meet bibia na fi soja mu na me nya.
Wow.
The here say when ni better ho. The here say when ni better ho. Because salary no enye bad and I na opportunities so titru say your officer peacekeeping no your back be a friend observer. Ubenya opportunity akosa observer na no car in dollars I be fine.
Wow.
It is when that form about between the baby. Fortunately after first year no ana omde yemu be called Libya for training. The difference between Libya training soldier the military academy say military academy no almost training ma we tough. But Libya no almost we endure pain. You go through a lot of pain. And I mean, besides, why do they do that type of training? Say, I'm going to go through pains. I'm say, maybe I'm not as a prisoner. They better teach you until they want you to. I hope I say, we endure pain, over pain, no more now. To see a teacher who when reverse secret. They are training there, to be frank, Edding Bebri.
To the compare Ghana had the.
I'm training Edding, but
But who say no so ye e ka ho
there be Ghana there ne
Ghana there ne to say what compare
Ghana there no they build you physically they omo ma onya hodin honam fam ana wa dream so omo so feel tibia mu e ma focus on a different direction we say we oba be officer and a gentleman initially no time na me young officers no there because of Air Force Rawlings, so I was very much interested in NDC because of Rawlings. Yeah. But prior to be president, and I'm who's a difference. In terms of Mpuntu, there is the fear tree by or by anymore there. But Sanya politicians a year Muniema fa any bra President Kufo by and she should be a debate to her free maternal health care, basic education free. And free visa, any development in general in the country, you know, I think NPP would be a better option. Until mommy changing me focus until I buy fee 4 times over the now me try buy my MPP. So we quite any more politics. I just say unya Godfather be another or the whole chini obi. So I decided to that's how now me be another penasa MPP back on here or Stephen team.
Okay.
Now also preacher man. Or pray Saturday no pray be anaway nti 2012 campaign after that now I work on the next 2014 I was his coordinator for Eastern region. Me na me gire man for Eastern region. Nti it was good now you say and that's all say the TBA however and America na oba and unfortunately so we had a good time nti and am baby kakra.
Meda for mama akwaba from Radio TV eso medi no e de shodi enne said ya mekan ye nkomo no maka cho sa fi we de betoto de afa ba bia opese wo mra ye be ma okwan opese ye mra wo so a ye be ma okwan nenne ye nipa ba kwa ye nya no ye military a okọ retire ai ne ye ne no ebedi nkomo afa ebra ofo so a kwan be no ofo so a ode wura eye soja aban ni mu ena ekwan so ben ena niema ben na aboa no ene ye ni bedi nkomo ni din no ede eye bright ai Mr. Kwaku bright ene ye ne no ebetwe nkomo na nansa na no ye toche na ono ankasa ede ni full name ni nyina ebetu dwa na ede nkomo chiche ni nyina ahyehye so ntima mentwa me ho na me fa ne mra ne fa nkomo no enhyehye so enko ba bia
Abusafa amaka obajiki travel hotel Sabudu Germany. Global flight from Ghana, China, Dubai. Explore the world with us. Run and fly to Ghana. You better train from Bibia Germany. I brought how that TTB. Now they offer a plane. You go to international airport. You go to go airport to your destination. And one person who holidays. So if you have a project to move, you metro and some project to use. You go to Ramamo, Divine Space. You go to GQ Luxury Hills Hotel. I will equip Maha will make travel also stress free. Travel management, expert in traveling. GQ Travel Hotels. Call us +49 17996 4242 +49 1521 485 2424. Check us on our website gqtravel-hotels.com. GQ, Stay connected.
Abusia me da se said am kind ene ye be sin konya na edi nkomo papa. Na me guess for today. Guess what? Mama man akwaba na ye fa di ni nyina nso. Pacho akwaba.
Yeah, me there.
Boko there.
Yeah, me adum boko ame
Ohun so ayefe.
Me da say.
Tuntum kama.
Benti o say me say mo twem.
Oh ayefe pa. Be ma tuntum de nyame ehwira mo da bia me ka say unhu skin na tuntum a na nyame ehwira pa.
Thank you.
Nye easy. Na ene diem ye betimi enya ofu ne mudin nyinala a ehya adaka ma na yipie na ye ndi nkomo.
Sure, me da say. Na kam di bi 10 so say ehya adaka mu ide. Me body ehya adaka mu nyina. Ye wo me no ye de meto me na asamo tin ye frɛ me kwaku asamo.
Okay.
Ba na papa o story bi nti edin a odi kan ho ye adanse. Nti mi okɔ mi kro ma chima nyina se a. Amu frɛ me kwaku adanse.
Kwaku adanse.
Ana mi ko school no so. Esa school ne edin a odi be ko nti me de brofo ni kan ho nti mi din no nyina ye Bright Aqua Asamoah.
Bright Aqua Asamoah.
Ana mi ko di soja. Ekɔ manim kakra. Nti mi wie soja di no na me rank be a friend of wing commander na me Air Force.
Wow.
Nti me wing commander Bright Aqua Asamoah retired. Nti mi di nyina no. Ko kan ni nyina ba bia be
Aqua
Asamoah. Na kwaku adanse.
Kwaku adanse. Me dem ye Wednesday nti. Aha, even say amatia say because na me dem ya le duru ha ne de. Let's ya kan say kwaku di kwaku ampa.
Yes.
Ai kwaku nyankopon ehua kwakufo ne ni nyina ba mo ye dem kwaku ye ne
special.
Ai wo ye special. Any demo Mr. Bright. Ya baka say Mr. Bright o sha say sen ene na wabedu baby a wadu no o de abrabo no sabe na wo da sie so obi baka say me de me na me da sie so obi baka say me so me de ya wo meto amnam ena mabra bedu sa bre obi nso timi ka say me de me ba wi ase kra de trotro kra de me fa bida wo so de trotro kra wo fa bida na ba Mr. Bright any day mu
me you questions na no mo me kama say mu wi abu say na me de amnam ana say na me da sie so
okay
mikrom no ye achim enyina se eben oda
mpatrio
sata no na Eastern region nti sata na letter ne atro no o se achim enyina se via oda na e classic akra na me papa no ye kwani wanko school da
wow
me ma me ye kwani wanko school da
wow
I'm sorry and e fe kra ne say me ma me e wo ni manyina wie ana papa so wo ni manyina wie asa na mo be ware no ma wo me
wow
nti ma me na ni ma ye 9 ana me papa so de ye 6 na sata ma mo ware wo me no na me papa ka chiri kra ni ka chiri no about 20 years
wow
nti it was a very big gap ti me ye olmamba yeah wo me na me papa di 66 years
wow getting to pension baby
pension baby nti ye me akokra ba pa
yeah pension baby
ana me ma me so me both sides no me ma me papa e ma no obi eni ho a okobo ebro form 4 middle school form 4 nti you can imagine say na etie me ko school no e we nyina se no from primary 1 to middle school form 4 edru na papa na okoko farm bi nti no tawo farm no mu abo ekura no team
yeah
na me ma me mpe ho no tra nti na ma me wo ye village ye kro no magazine nyina se no nti me ko school that near pon middle school near pon 4 o'clock me pon 4 o'clock me nanti be 1.5 hours akwekura ho na addition anopa man nanti another 1.5 hours at the school nti me simu no me ba be half the journey asana me shia infomfu a omokwafu nti ma chase no so you can imagine say not say anya say meti anyina se o meti anyina se ekura kokofu
ekrampo asenye ekromo
nti nkokọ no no sa na ne o dabu na ne we ho no na just na me no mu di agro typical village boy
wow
ana me wie middle school form 4 no so nkura sesem ti na minimum de na kamenya go school but it's say minim baby na class 90 school I me choose here assume secondary school that was my first choice.
Okay.
Until me fi a cry as I call a cry secondary school until from class 1 to form 5 there me a quite be bremuni pa a typical village like boy until that is how I began.
Na obi beka say e den na afa obepie mu e wa Accra.
You my first time I'm about Accra no anumpo no na me middle school na ye ya be dibronya nti na ye exams na da na me brother na o de me baba no e ba no na intro exams no na ka one paper man tro me ban cry
to ni age
man tro cry na me ja ho na me ban. That was the first time and the last time for a very long time. Ti anyame me ko school no.
Tuba to school ni so wa Accra.
There be under me ba holiday me ba be di bronya
wa Accra na
bronya shopping, ye bronya no mpo bronya shopping. Yes we be ba Accra she. E me no me di anya less than 1 week na me san ko here.
Wow.
And the fact say matra STC mu na de me ban Accra. E di je keke.
Satam na ya wotena ka ni mu na wo say enu etwa na
I'm trying to have and I'm in Calabrum so baby I'm a quachiri pie at Chimoda. Now me draw that and a deba quay me first Saturday TV no. Na sipo the tonto sipo 10 not 10 minutes. Now me draw that and TV antennas next now. Benyaji keke. It's an shall it me shall say no because school assume no I me adom na ngoma na minim kakra. Nti me pass courses from Okoforidia na say me me ben kro nti me wie 6 form no so national service me call back to my village na ka village an kasa na pesa me service so because me ko try he na me nya ana me nya the next village it was a walking distance.
Okay.
E fra ho ajobue nti I want me call national service na e ho no na omo accommodation nti me anya pro na me ko try or na me ye me service nti service no mu na me cousin bi ye choba ho na me phone square na me ni baby akọ most of time na ko try na chen na ma born in community me call ni ho one day no akọ na ba na autographic na advert wo mu say Air Force for a recruit.
Okay.
And I'm so let me go and try.
And try keke.
Nti me ko ni na emu ana radiado. Pamam. And I'm the code soldier. So my chassis ni nyina ye after school no my new service no papa mpo and I'm share military academy. So that's the beginning of my life.
Nti u share military ni mo no eh then na wo sande politics ukọ join.
Okay. Me di soldier no for over 22 years.
Wow. Soldier 22 years.
Yes.
Hey.
Me retire, I said me can retire as wing commander. Wing commander in the Air Force rank is equivalent to lieutenant colonel.
Oh wow, and e mo yensem ma no wa ko.
Soldier mu no na me aircraft maintenance engineer. And I maintain soldier aircraft no. And me a lot of training from the military. And soldier no mo na me call no. Me call with 64.
Okay.
Na mo no na me nya akwa university call mechanical engineering. Me we mechanical engineering na e share adwuma na how do me call training ahoro bebre ye bi Ghana had ye be so Nigeria na me call ye bi so US na me call ye bi China nti for aircraft maintenance nti adwuma mu no saa na call ye na e drew baby no na me hu say my ye so adwuma no bi nti na me pe civil life no so kakra nti me decide say mpanyifo ma me kwan na me nkɔgye ma home ti me ba ni na na me say me ba be politics.
Wow.
Na politics no initially no time na me young officers no there because of Air Force Rawlings, so I was very much interested in NDC because of Rawlings. Yeah. But pra Kufuor be president no and me who say difference so that's
it's different ben na wo share Rawlings and your papa Kufuor different ben.
Okay, in terms of Mpuntio no there is the fear tree by or by any more there but sanya na politicians omuniema fa any bra President Kufuor by ni hihye bi obet de betoto ho free maternal health care basic education free, and then free visa, any development in general in the country, I felt I think NPP would be a better option. Mommy changing me focus until I buy fee 4 times over the now me try buy my MPP. But now me that was so general.
Wow.
Until 2010, and I finally me fee so general. And me buy and now me buy now me say me buy politics. To me buy MPP. To me buy MPP from buy a campaign or me constituency. I often say ready. A campaign na a for MPP for any gym who say oh. That's fine. Nti yenya obi a that time na MP na ho no na ase ne ho ya fun ko for kakra. Nti na omu ni obi a so option bi nti na ka he was the next person to go. Nti who say oh yenya obi a say do betimi I replace MP amai. So they encouraged me to contest for MP. And everything was going fine. The assurance was there pa. So along the line na ya po by why na Honorable Kojo Ponkroma a bar scene with a very heavy backing from the top. And just I kiss. It's Kansas Satam no crying. Constituency chairman, I call radio to say, Omudomunimu be a wing commander no munimo. Straight almost Simon or Nanafi.
Wow.
And not just a very big tough fight. And empty. It's a new try. I realize saying in the politics no
into uwini
there because you never win
that's a sika wo fie
and the ucha ketwa onu so tia kese ni na motia it's but the support was there for him in terms of Nemo Odibechani Adime. He had a lot of support and it made it easier for him to win. But no me who say obe call ni more politics. I just say unya godfather be another odu ho twini obi. So I decided to start na me obi ana me pena say MPP mo ba kon ye Owura Stephen Ntim.
Okay.
Now so pre chairman. Or pre start na pre be ana we nyanti 2012 campaign after that now I work on the next 2014 I was his coordinator for Eastern region. Me na me gire man for Eastern region. It was good now you say and that's all say the TBR however and America now or buy and unfortunately so we had a good time and baby kakra. Generally no that's how I entered into politics. Now I felt say na me share me subai na me share the feel I have for the people now and that's also say me grab politics ma I can help my make me aboa me constituency in sense na me say ye wachiri kakra and I'm say me nye wura a me di me nim de ne me connections between aboa na constituency no akwanim I don't know ma me call politics
nti na ususu say edien na ewo umpetua so ana omonya ususu say nko omonto abama na uba ube make sure so the niema begugu akwan mu ene di mu
fine yen youth na ho no I'm say yen area ho in general no initially no ashase no na school 7 no fam kakra nti na me niswade ba ho niswade hu ba ko ne say me nya effects impact ewo yen basic education also by interacting with the teachers, encouraging them, giving them the necessary incentives for them to say now you to access ho ama school for no ma your results no it's me abenimu into education ade ba kwa na o mani so pa because me hwa me ho a me nkofo a me ja o me class no say yes school a me call ye na nka me so mo nti na that na when me study ho kese pa because me also jamu nyina me ye me call training school be me na I was in charge of the school effort for a technical school no yeah that time near friend school of training SOTT school of technical training
okay
na ntimi ono students about me nsem nyina I was encouraging them to get certificate omunya certificate and cat training na demo as technician no nti that group those at least me are 2 groups of farmers omu nyina boys ni girls ni nyina upgrade omo minimum that time na poly minimum of poly omu nyina so that was the day and is say me be impact on their education so that I can change their life. Now, so I could feel bimu a pija, meaning say a benya impact for a busiano so, Nankaya pijemu. And then Punto Femuno so, not your wachibe bree, and law requires just say, now say a typical village constituency.
Okay.
And now I was of hope say, me ba meet me any impact. I lobby enough. I'm a near maybe a honoma, yet me na yen conscience na queen. Mikasa make politics. I mean, me man, me name, me my soon. Yes, so if you are a democracy, very democratic. We be in a dream.
Very good.
The me come about the autosomy me son or by occasion say. Da konako bwa
wow
enti na chese sa emwa dwenu na na ewumu enti na tie de bakoya politics. Well, unfortunately baby am sha say na anye ani papa me ko support no so na en amwa papa amwa bebre enti ama mentime nya impact bi ase na me hwehwa ama me conscience
enti wentimi anko wanim.
No politics in the man. I was advisor to the chairman, national chairman, all right. But man call for any position in there.
Inti then a buyer ususu safe min kobi
for the MP ne there. Now me say baby I could just say me kobi cry be waste of resources. Inti on the mind. Nyama dwen say me kobi. But now I still wanted to be in politics. Me inti na me dem ko ball. Ura Steven team so when your chairman na e benya baby ahye na yet still impact but unfortunately ono your chairman ene man ko ye kram on na kasa nti udi na chi dia automatic say ene
man ko ye sesen
I will say let's say general no nya no anche na ni pomodin sam e come from kakra nti ama wenya firm grip of the party as a chairman of the party. Now, my wife within chase when you it is that's how you could see.
Yeah, share time I war military in mono. Then I offer mu training to say near man a course saying I will meeting a for 22 years.
So that they good do.
Sir,
oh, shall say, Brabona say, that's a officer. We'll say. Oh, a new Muslim mason. I know movie school. No, say you are ahead of it. But a yaka crab and some other two. Beka crab you not for more sound, no more common name saying. And it's such a moon training. Miana, a man for him say, Morocco decision because we Pope John say a seminary, sixth form, seminary school. And here, one more year train no more abedi suffer. But me na me seminary. And so, na school no. School for you frame your suffer. Wow. It's me okay, now me SU president and so.
And
I'm SU president. To school for you frame your suffer. To bro moti say me come military academy. They were surprised how as I'm more soldier.
No one near ding. And I want
to be a shame MP. But I'm very firm. That's one thing with me. I'm very firm. To me quiet and soldier no see. Fortunately after first year no and the be called Libya for training. The difference between Libya training soldier the military academy they say military academy no almost training ma tough. But Libya no will endure pain. You go through a lot of pain. And maybe some say, why do they do that type of training? Say, I'm go through pains. I'm say, Libya na war as a prisoner. They better teach you until they want you to. I hope I will endure pain, over pain no more now. To see a teacher when reverse secret. They are training there to be frank, Eddie Bibri.
To the compare Ghana had the
training Eddie, but a hoarding.
But what's to say, no, so yeah, a come
there be Ghana DNA.
Ghana DNA is some of the compare.
Ghana DNA, they build you physically, they almost hoarding, Honam film. And I watch dream so almost so few TBM. Different direction. We say we are officer and a gentleman. It's about here generally Ghana military officers say when your officer from lieutenant airport, do not tie the dean. And you say Musubani say muta the dean no, but training no firm no. I'm my sober. I'm Martin maybe I say nti say obo say soldier the junior ranks no ade ne din patapa ade ne me bi no unya officer ode ne din bi abenya 1 2 bi na de let's say the suban na entimi asese yi my officers and gentlemen he started how the Ghana military academy training
because Osha and Ghana me one person also omoda boko Ghana soldier military for no do na so mani grig
Ghana American you say you officers no omo tada boko no.
Oh, okay.
But the junior ranks no omo prepare but say officer or double call no o general ni bufu so a ano so yes from ko
because we ya kai me yawo me bra free training by pa me we fi ose ma pie ma ba ma ai Rita you
yeah it is almost training basa na recruit training no am fi oba sa training na mo ahodi amonya confidence bi say bibie ni ho ebetimi ana onim say o backbone na o twin bibi nti the person ye bia na o ya and nti usually ya na omo fit training but training the junior ranks no omo ba ni so share ne de I was so pa and na but omo nyi kakra na enema ko but officers the generally no omo fit training back crowd they are so very sober
okay nti yenhwe enei free say okopie ye soldier 22 years obetimi aka say enne obi hwe na opese onko wremu a tsen obi advice obi
yes military in the air pa
wonya bibi wom you know
baby a miti say me nya adwuma bia latter party na me call to be 6 years but I had here before me nya hansa na me call to baby amiti bibia na fi soja mu na me nya
wow
the here say when ni better ho the here say when ni better ho because salary no enye bad ana opportunities so titru say your officer peacekeeping no your back be a friend observer obenya opportunity akosa observer na no you try muka in dollars I be you fine
wow
and it's when that form about between that baby and depending on your trade no so yeah na courses so to say me they say aircraft maintenance because me could be on Nigeria obenya allowance kakra me could be US allowance kakra me could be on China and mu nyina ama resources are o plan ya area wa doma which we are calling you
Abusafa amaka Babajiki Travel Hotel Sabuji Germany. Global flight from Ghana, China, Dubai. Explore the world with us. Run and fly to Ghana. You better train from Bibia Germany. I brought how that TTB. Now they offer a plane. You go to international airport. You go to go airport to your destination. And one person go holidays. So if you have a project to me, maybe I'm meeting some project to you. So you go to my divine space. You go to my GQ Luxury Hills Hotel. I will equip. Maha. We make travel also stress-free. Travel management, expert in traveling. GQ Travel Hotels. Call us +49 17996 4242 +49 1521 485 2424. Check us on our website gqtravel-hotels.com. GQ, stay connected.